let's look at this example. If an item is retailed at $230, including the GST of 20%, so it's including GST of 20%. Find the GST amount. Find the GST amount. So what do we have here? So this is actually PI. Okay. We need the GST amount, so automatically it's equation number 3. So the GST amount, when the price after tax is given, is equal to the tax rate, 20%, over 120%, times $230, which is the price, including GST, and that equals to roughly $38 and 35 cents to the nearest 5 cents, roughly. Now find the price before GST. So we need PE, the price before tax. So there's a number of ways of doing it. You can actually use equation number 1 if you like, or you can use equation number 5. Let's try both of them. So from equation number 1, the GST amount is equal to PI minus PE. If you rearrange the formula, so PE equal to PI minus GST. So that's again equation number 1. And therefore, and that is equal to roughly $191.70 to the nearest 10 cents. Now let's go ahead and use formula number, say number 5 as well. From formula number 5, it's really PE equal PI over 1 plus the tax rate. In this case, we have PI and the tax rate is 20%. If you do the calculation, you'll end up with the same answer, $191.70. The current VAT in a country in Europe is 19%. 19%. If an item is priced at €233, excluding VAT, find the VAT amount. So in the previous example, we had the price including. In this example, we have the price excluding, and we have to calculate the VAT amount. So how do we go about calculating the VAT amount when the price before tax is given? Now, just look at the formulas. It's basically formula number 2. Formula number 2 states that the GST or the VAT amount is equal to the tax rate itself multiplied by the price excluding VAT. Okay, so in our case, so again, that is the price excluding. So if you do the calculation, so we end up with 19% multiplied by 233, and the VAT amount is equal to 44.72. Now, question B, find the price after VAT or after tax. A number of ways of doing it. You could use, for example, equation number 1 because we have PE and GST, but to just take it a little bit further, probably will go with equation number, equation number 4, which is another way of calculating the price after tax. So from equation number 4, the price after tax is equal to 1 plus the tax rate expressed in percentages times the price before tax. In other words, it's 1 plus 19% times 233. And that equals to 277.30. So again, just quickly See what happens graphically? The tax man will take 44.72. The retailer will take 233. And the consumer will pay the sum of the two, which is the price after tax, 277.30. Now we did this example at the tax rate of 10%. Now we're going to do the same thing at the tax rate of 15%. So I'm pretty sure by now you should be confident in doing or in completing this table, but I'm going to do just a couple for you, and then you can do the rest when you have time. Now for the first item, which is the detergent, we have the price including GST here, and it's the GST and the price excluding GST. So since we have the price including GST, we can go and use equation number 5 here. Equation number 5, and which simply state if I divide 23 by 1 plus the tax rate, I will get the price excluding GST. And if I do that, I get $20. Again, the GST for the water is 0. And the tax before and after is exactly the same thing. Let's do another one right at the end. For example, the peanut, where we have the price, we have the GST amount, and to calculate the PE, we use equation number 2. Equation number 2, and if we do that, we get 15.33. And for the price, including GST, we use equation number 4, and we get 17.63. Now, if you carry on and do this, you will just get the answers, and I've just actually compiled this table for you, which shows the answers in red and the formulas in blue.